Guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am back. New and latest creating fashionable forward crochet shoes and valuables, a bit more details and color compared to basic crochet shoes. Here are a guide to making stylish crochet women shoes. Yarn OPT for a high quality cotton or cotton blend yarn. Crochet hook size G6 on length 4.01 mm is commonly used, but check your yarn level and optional for added comfort in soles and stitch marks to keep track of your stitches. Embroidery needle and thread for finishing touches, decorative elements, beads, buttons, ribbons, etc. Different and latest ideas and latest choice for girls and women. I hope you like it my video and my channel. Shape like this boot shoes and different crochet pattern, crochet latest ideas and flower embroidery applique style, different latest ideas and latest styles ideas. I hope you like it my channel. Creating crochet lacy shoes can be a fun and rewarding and project styles ideas review. Her is a basic try to get you started. Different latest ideas and latest styles looks like. I hope you like my video. Thank you guys.